Hi guys, this is Dr. Vikas Kumar. I am based in Delhi. I am a consultant for the international brands for the Asian and African markets. I also do a lot of business in India also. I have developed over 25 30 brands for the international markets. In fact, it will be more than 30 brands here. And I got in touch with Mr. Sharan for this program during the COVID days, and I was just browsing through my internet and in the Facebook, in fact, and I saw his ad, and without any much expectation, since I was free, I joined this program. But it really turned out to be an eye opener because I never expected that with such a price, what I was paying, I would get so much. It was I got an ocean of information from Mr. Sharan, and he's really passionate. And one thing about I like about him is that he's very passionate and he's very honest also, because even once I was doing this program and I asked him, like, will I get any help in developing my own videos and like as a personal brand also, when he was very honest. He said, no, I won't be teaching you this personal branding. You go and learn from Mr. Siddharth Rajshekhar. And then I joined Siddharth Rajshekhar also. But after completing this program of SMCP, which was very useful, I have decided even to go further and join the digital mentorship program of Mr. Sharan. I implemented a lot of things what he taught, particularly about the Facebook and LinkedIn. Instagram is not of much my interest, but LinkedIn definitely is, and I have used his teachings in my day-to-day postings and my how to add more network, how to get mileage of your post. Lot of things which I was really not aware, and that helped me. Like, his teachings really helped me, and I would highly recommend everybody, if he wants to learn social media, then he should at least take this course, which is very useful. And that's it. Like, I highly recommend Mr. Sharan. Thank you.